Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and Rosalind had sent over this 24-piece gel polish set, so I am going to pull this out and swatch it for you guys. I do have a link to this set below, and they are providing a discount code for you guys. I will also link that below next to this bad boy. You can get it off Amazon. All right. All right, so this is the 24-piece set. You have, these are silver, so these are going to be your base coat, top coat, matte top coat, and primer. So primer, base, and then matte and shiny, and then you have your colors. So again, you guys know that I like my colors to be shown on top. Not a problem. I do have the different little tabs that I can put on these. So let's take them out. All right, so these bottles are really tiny, and I would say this is more for a do-it-yourselfer versus a pro, because I don't know how many polishes you would get, like polish sets you would get out of these. Does it say how big they are? It says 7 milliliters. So for me, it's perfectly fine. Actually, there's quite a little bit more product than I expected. So I'm going to swatch these. That way we can see all the different colors, because there are some pretty colors in here. Like, I'm feeling this color too. So let's swatch these. Again, I'm not gonna speak through them because we will literally be here forever. Do they have colors on them? Okay, so they don't have colors on them, but they do have numbers. So they are numbered, which is fine with me, because again, I'm going to put the dots on them like I have all other polishes, like the little dot that I put on top. But if you want a size comparison, this is a 15 milliliter and this is a 7.
Watching the ocean with you, baby, up with a slow motion crew, and we up in our cloudlands when people change, but not us, and we just chillin', kicking it, kissed by the sun, could be soaked to the skin in the monsoon. I know she got the good vibes when seasons change, but we're the same. Even if I lost all my money, the zero runs deep, honey, and I don't need to speak a single word. You got me holding, holding. Even if my jokes aren't funny, my tongue tied up on it, and I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding, holding.
All right, so these are all 20 colors. And then of course you have your base, your top coat, your matte, and then your primer. So I absolutely love these guys. As you can see, you get a lot in here. There's pretty much one of every color. So if you want like a rainbow, you will have everything in a rainbow. I do want to point out some of them weren't what I expected, but like this one is a yellow, and I thought it was gonna be like a lime green, but like when you mattify it, it looks almost identical. So its packaging was really, really, really good here. I will be putting those dots on the top here, but I mean, y'all, look at these like look at how bright these colors are. So I have matte on the bottom and glossy on the top, but these colors are so bright. I love them so much. So you do have your basics in here along with a bunch of other colors and stuff to do a French if you wanted to, that with the white. So overall, I'm really happy with this kit. Again, I will link it below. You can get it off Amazon, and they did provide me a discount code, which I will have below. So thank you guys so much for watching. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye-bye.